Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve practice question for simultaneous linear equation. Let us take look number 4. We need to solve the simultaneous equation. Use the method you think is most appropriate. So for A, the substitution will be appropriate. So y equal to x minus 3. And we got here y equal to minus 2x. So just substitute. So minus 2x equal to x minus 3. So to get rid of 3, we plus by 3 both of sides. Or let me write it here. So we got y equal to x minus 3. And here y is equal to minus 2x. So this is minus 2x equal to x minus 3. Okay, to get rid of, okay, let's make it x here. We can minus by x both of sides. It's going to be minus 3x equal to x minus x 0. So it's only minus 3. Okay, to make it only x, so both of sides we can divide by minus 3. Also we divide by minus 3. So x equal to 1. Okay, when x equal to 1, we can substitute it. So y equal to minus 2x. So minus 2x substitute with 1. So y equal to minus 2. Okay, we got it here. X equal to 1 and y equal to minus 2. Next question, we got x plus y equal to 3. And then x minus y equal to 1. Okay, to make it one of the variable disappear, we can plus this equation. So x plus x is going to be 2x. Y plus minus y is going to be 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, we got 2x equal to 4. So x equal to, we divided by 2 both of sides. So x equal to. So we can substitute to one of them. So x plus y equal to 3. So x equal to, we can just substitute. So 2 plus y equal to 3. So we minus by 2 both of sides. So y equal to 1. Okay, we got it. So x equal to, and then y equal 1. Okay, next question. Okay, we can do it here. So we got x plus y equal to 4. And then we got x plus 3y equal to 6. Okay, we can eliminate the x variable by minus this equation. So x minus x is 0. Y minus 3y is minus 2y. And then 4 minus by 6 is minus 2. Then we got it. Here we can just divide by minus 2 both of sides. So y equal to 1. Then we just substitute into this equation. X plus y equal to 4. Then x plus y equal to 1 equal 4. So x, we make it minus 1 both of sides. So x equal to 3. Okay, we got it. X equal to 3 and y equal to 1. Okay, next question. We got, okay, 3x minus 2y equal to 29. And then y equal to 24 minus 4x. So we can substitute the value of y. So 3x equal to 2 times y is 24 minus 4x equal to 29. Yeah, 29. So 3x, so minus 2 times 24, It's gonna be minus 48 minus 2 times minus 4x is gonna be plus 8x equal to 29. Okay, it's gonna be 11x. Here also we can plus by 48 both of sides to make it disappear. So 29. Here the 29 we just plus by 48. 29 plus by 48 is gonna be 77. So x equal to, we can just divide by 11 both of sides. So x equal to 7. How about y? We can substitute into this equation y equal to 24 minus 4x. So 24 minus 4, y is 7. So 24 minus by 28, so y equal to minus 4. Okay, we got it. So x equal to 7. Then y equal to minus 4. I think, yeah, we skip one question here. Let's do it. So we got 2x plus y equal to 12. Then we got x minus y equal to 3. Okay, to eliminate the y variable, we can just add. So 2x plus x is gonna be 3x, y plus minus y is 0. And then 12 plus 3 is 15. We divide by 3 both of sides. So x equal to 5. Then just substitute. So x, got to x plus y equal to 12. So x is 5. So 2 times 5 plus y equal to 12. So 10 plus y equal to 12. We minus by 10 both of sides. So y equal to 2. Okay, we got it. So x equal to 5 and then y equal to 2. Okay, let's continue. F. Here 6x minus 7y equal to 16. Then minus 2x plus 3. This is minus 2y plus 3x equal to 5. Okay, let us rearrange to make it 6x minus 7y equal to 16. And here is 3x minus 2y equal to 5. Okay, let us make it the variable, 2 of the variable are equal. So here we can just multiply it by 1. And the second, 3x to make it 6x. So we multiply it by 2. So it's gonna be 6x minus 7y equal to 16. Here's gonna be 6x minus by 2 times 2 is 4y. And then plus equal to 5 times 2 is 10. So we just minus it. So minus 7 minus by minus 4. So it's gonna be minus 3y equal to 6. So y equal to minus 2. Okay, we got it. Just substitute. So we got this equation. That's short. So 3x minus 2 times minus 2 equal to 5. So 3x plus 4 equal to 5. So 3x equal to, we minus by 4 both of sides 1. And just divide by 3. So x equal to 1 over 3. Okay, we got it. For f, x equal to 1 over 3. And then y equal to minus 2. Next is g. Take a look, g. Okay, there we go. We got it. So 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Next is minus 4y equal to 1 minus 3x. Here let us plus by 3x both of sides. So we got two new equation. 2x plus 3y equal to 12. And here is gonna be 3x minus 4y equal to 1. Oh, look at here. They are different, so let us make it one of the equation. variable are equal, so this is 2 and 3. So here we can times 3, here is times by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6x, 3 times 3 is 9y, and last 12 times 3 is 36. Next is 3x times 2 is 6x, minus 4y times 2 is minus 8y, equal to 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, we can just minus it. So 6x and 6 is 0. Here is gonna be 17y equal to 34. Okay, we divide by 17 both of sides. So we got y equal to 34 divided by 7 is 2. Okay, we can just substitute into this equation. So 3x equal to 4, y is 2, 1. So 3x minus 4 times 2 is minus 8 equal to 1. So plus 8 both of sides. So 3x equal to 9 divided by 3 both of sides. So x equal to 3. Okay, here x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Okay, continue h. Let me write it here. So we got 2x plus 4y equal to 18. Then we got minus y equal to 3 minus 2x. Okay, so let's plus by 2x both of sides. So we got 2x plus 4y equal to 18, and the second is gonna be 2x minus y equal to 3. Okay, we got the same here, variable. So we just minus it. 2x minus 2x is pair. So it's gonna be 5y equal to 18 minus 3 is 15. So y, we just divide by 5 both of sides. So y equal to 3. Okay, we will substitute into one of the equation. Okay, I will pick this equation. So 2x minus y is 3. So minus 3 equal to 3. So we plus by 3 both of sides. So 2x equal to 6 and divide by 2 both of sides. So x equal to 3. Okay, x equal to 3 and y equal to 3. X equal to 3 and y equal to 3. Okay, last for I. So we got here. Okay, let me erase it. If I may, I will erase this question. So you can just take a look later on. So first we got 4x plus 3y equal to 5. And then 5x plus 6y equal to 4. Okay, they are totally different. So here we can just double it, the y, to make it 6. So this we times 2 here times by 1. So 8x plus 6y equal to 10, while the second equation keep the same. So we will minus it to make it y disappear. So 8x minus 5x gonna be 3x. So equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. We divide by 3 both of sides. So x equal to. Then we just substitute into any equation that you would like. So I will pick 4x plus 3y equal to 5. So 4 times 2 plus 3y equal to 5. So 8 plus 3y equal to 5. So we minus 8 both of sides. So 3y equal to minus 3 divided by 3 both of sides. So y equal to minus 1. Here we got x equal to, and then y equal to minus 1. Okay, that is, I will continue for the next part. Thank you.